close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
The PicsArt application, then open the photo you want to edit.
The storms we chase are leading us.
Lower the curves until it turns dark.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Enter the adjust section. Please lower the brightness level. Can adjust it with your photos. Then proceed to the draw.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
In this section we selected by changing the background to black.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands.
Selection is also in the hair that is white to dark. Do it like this.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Make a new layer and also make a color line. Follow the steps like this.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Change the blend to overlay and adjust the opacity according to your taste.
Hold me close
Make
till
one
I
layer
get
and one more color line, like the previous step.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
When you have finished editing the photo, please save the photo.